Hi, today we will talk about how to install an Amazon Kindle Fire 7 to use with Optio. So you will not need to open the power supply and everything else, the cable. The device should come with sufficient battery charge to keep installing it. You can turn on your Kindle by pressing on the button here to the top right. And I keep it pressed, and so it boots up for the first time and will ask you to confirm your language settings. So I'm choosing English United States and press forward here down here. The next thing is adding it to your corporate wireless network. Make sure you choose the right network. That is the one that you actually want to use. So once the network is connected, the Kindle will register on the internet, and it will ask you to enter your Amazon account. So you need an Amazon account to register the device for the first time, install updates, and go through the setup process. It is possible to remove this device or deregister it from Amazon later, which might make sense if you don't want anyone to access your Amazon account and purchase items or something like this. So it's also possible to create just a blank Amazon account. We recommend using an Amazon account just for this purpose, so that you can see all your devices at one location. So once you entered your Amazon account, it will register your Fire. You can now also log into your Amazon account on a web browser, and you see all your devices there, which will give you an ability to make them ad-free or also deregister them later. So now the Kindle will go through a couple of things that come with Amazon, such as Alexa and e-readers and things like this. You can skip them all or disable them all. We will do that here real quick. So it asks for a payment method because I don't have a payment method associated with my Amazon account. So I press skip here. It will now ask for location services, autosave photos and videos, or saving Wi-Fi passwords to Amazon. Nothing of this we need. You can now skip through an Alexa
From watching
demonstration
movies and reading books to asking
by
Alexa for
fast
the weather.
forwarding. We don't need to make this Fire kid-friendly. We don't need a lock screen. We don't need Goodreads. So this is how the home screen is going to look like.
Hello. Alexa is on your tablet.
And when you do it for the first time, it will want to educate you about various Amazon services. I continue through all of them and skip them as fast as I can. I want to disable Alexa. And now we're ready to go.